Lonna Eikhoigi Nat Chatnabi AMADI Houraklon Masak TAKPADA NATTANA Eikhoigi Paripuri Singga Samnahanduna Thamlibani HAINA Manipur University ke Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM LOKENDRA na PHONGDORAKLI Wafam ase Korean loan ki alphabet oiriba hangul semgat ki banumlet yengsingduna ngase Manipur University ke Department of Foreign Languages ke Korean Language Department na sinduna pangthokpa manga suba Hangul Day celebration hawdokpagi thauramda mahakna phongdokhibane Academy of Korean Studies ki mityeng makhada ngasidagi numit ni chupna chathagada thauram maduga mari leinana Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM LOKENDRA na hai ngasi pangthokliba thauram ase Korean loan ke alphabet hangul sem ki numit aduba ningsingduna pangthokpane Hangul haiba Korea gi alphabet asina Korea gi identity amade culture gi masak takpada achoba thodang lawribane alphabet asigi top pa masak asina malemda Korea gi masak takpa amasu oire loan ama yokhatnaba amade chawkhatnaba honaba haiba se yamna maru oiba amane loan na thong ama oiraga aikhoigi wari chatna rol amade value sing phongdoklibane loan na aikhoigi laioi khraba ipa ipu singa samnahanduna thamle Manipur University da Korea gi Hangul Day pangthokpa ase yamna singthaningai oiba amane Manipur University da Korean loan tamnaba hangliba tongan ba course sing asiki mathakta athuba matamda loan asigi PhD course hangnaba thorang paikhatle University asida Korean loan gi tongan ba course hangdokna ba honabada Korea lengakna panglakliba tengbang ase singthaningai ni haina mahakna makhata khi
Language is the vessel through which we convey our stories, traditions and values. It connects us to our ancestors and binds us as a community. The 5th Hangul Day celebration at Manipur University marked yet another milestone as Korean language course embarked on to introduce PhD program in Korean language in the very near future. I applaud the role of the visionary teachers we have at the Korean language department. Of course, this would not have been possible without the constant support of the Academy of Korean Studies South Korea, which is the main sponsor of this event. The Korea government always supports the development of the course and extended its assistance through various means such as providing study material for students, projects for developing infrastructure for students to enable access to academic contents, and also providence of cultural and educational experiences through various scholarship, and more so by providing visiting professor through Korean Foundation.
Thauram aduga mari lainana Manipur University ke Department of Foreign Languages ke Korean Language Department ke Program Director Professor Hyun Kyung Lee na hai Korean gi Hangul haiba alphabet ase ningthau sejong na kumja lising amaga chamri ni futarukta semgat khibane alphabet asi sem khiba ngasigi nomet October 8 ase Korea da National Holiday lauthokuna chahi khudingi Hangul Day haina pangthoktuna lakle Hangul haiba Korea gi alphabet ase malemda khwaidagi masak thokpa alphabet singi manungda amane Hangul Day ase Manipur University da kumja lising ani taranipan dage pangthoktuna lakpane Korean language ase ihan hanba oina University asida chahi amagi certificate course oina kumja lising ani taranithoi da hangdokhibane ngasidi 2 years postgraduate diploma course Korean language ki BA honors course 5 years integrated course amade Korean language ki MA University asida hangdokle India ki manungda University asina Korean language ki master program hangdokpa ahum subane University asigi undergraduate mahirwi khara Korean embassy Sinhan Bank amade easy da thabak tawba yaukre loinana University asigi mahirwi khara Korea Foundation scholarship phangba yaure Manipur University da hangliba Korean language course ase ngaside India ke mahirwi singna yamna pamnaba hengalakle kumjali singani kunithoi da course ase tamnaba gidamak India ke mahirwi lising mariga chamangana Manipur University ki damak apply tawrakhe University asida hangliba Korean language program ase India ki khwaidagi phaba department ama makhata na oihigani haina thajai haina mahakna makhata khi
And in the Korean language proficiency test, we have got a quite successful result with 2 students for level 6, which is the highest level. This is the first the result in India. And 5 students for level 5, and many students passed the level 4 also. In addition, the Korean language course at Manipuri University has a MOU with the 5 Korean universities. And based on that MOU, MA students are taking online classes from the Korean professor, and the professor come to Manipuri University in every semester to teach students in offline and give feedback. In addition, for building Korean skills, online classes offered by the Gyeonggi University to our BA second and third year students. The University of Manipur's Korean language course also conduct the Korean proficiency test in twice in a year. The test is conducted only in Delhi, Chennai, and Manipur. This is the one of the topic exam center.
Ngasigi thauram maduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM Lokendra, Manipur University ki Department of Foreign Languages ke Korean Language Department ki Program Director Professor Hyun Kyung Lee, Korea International Cooperation Agency KOICA, India Office ki Director Woo Chan Chang, Assam Rifles ke Commandant Colonel Sandeep Mishra amade Manipur University ki Department of Foreign Languages ki HOD su oriba School of Humanities ki Dean Professor S Imobana President Member Waina Sarukya ke Thauramadu Embassy of Republic of Korea ki Deputy Chief of Mission HE Sang Mudlim na online ki Kuthang da Sarukya duna Hangul Dega Mari Lainana Wangang ke